Imagine this, you bite into your favorite snack and suddenly feel a sharp pain in your tooth. You panic, knowing it might mean a trip to the dentist for a filling or even a root canal. Now imagine a different scenario. You're enjoying a variety of delicious and nutritious foods, and your teeth feel strong and healthy. What if I told you that you can actually reverse early tooth decay naturally, just by making some simple changes to your diet? Nature has its ways, and in this video I'm going to share the secrets of how certain foods can actually help your teeth repair themselves. This is information that most dentists don't even talk about, so stay tuned and get ready to unlock the power of food for a healthier, brighter smile. Before we dive into the amazing foods that can help reverse tooth decay, it's super important to understand how this sneaky enemy attacks our teeth in the first place. Imagine your tooth like a fortress with a strong outer wall called enamel. This enamel is constantly under attack by bacteria that live in our mouths. When we eat sugary or starchy foods, these bacteria go crazy, feeding on the sugar and producing acids as a byproduct. Think of it like this. The bacteria throw acid bombs at your enamel, weakening it and creating tiny holes. But don't worry, there's good news. In the early stages, tooth decay is actually reversible. You can actually boost this natural repair process just by eating the right foods. So let's explore these tooth-saving superheroes. We've talked about the bacteria and the acid attacks, but what exactly are the things we do that contribute to this dental drama? Let's shine a light on some of the most common culprits behind early tooth decay. First up, the sweetest villain of them all: sugar. We all know that too much sugar is bad for us, but when it comes to our teeth, it's public enemy number one. Remember those acid-throwing bacteria? Well, sugar is like giving them an endless supply of ammunition. Not brushing and flossing regularly is like leaving the door wide open for those bacteria to throw a wild party in your mouth. Plaque builds up, bacteria multiply, and before you know it, you've got a recipe for decay. Another factor is low saliva production. Saliva helps neutralize acid and wash away food particles, but when we're dehydrated or have certain medical conditions, our saliva production can decrease, making our teeth more vulnerable to decay. Just like our bodies need the right nutrients to function properly, so do our teeth. If we don't get enough calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin D, our enamel's ability to repair itself is seriously compromised.
Now for the moment you've all been waiting for. Let's meet the incredible edible heroes that can help reverse early tooth decay. First, the dairy daredevils, milk, cheese and yogurt. These calcium powerhouses strengthen enamel. Cheese also stimulates saliva production. Next, the leafy green guardians, spinach, kale and broccoli. Packed with calcium and magnesium, they keep your teeth strong. Swimming in the fatty fish friends, salmon, tuna and mackerel. Rich in vitamin D, they help absorb calcium. The nut and seed sidekicks, almonds, sesame seeds. Full of phosphorus, they strengthen enamel. Finally, the crunchy fruit and veggie squad. Apples, carrots, celery. They act like tiny toothbrushes, scrubbing away plaque.
You might be wondering, how do these foods actually work their magic and reverse tooth decay? The answer lies in a fascinating process that happens right inside your mouth. Remember saliva, our natural defense system? Well, it's not just a protector, it's also a delivery service. When you eat foods rich in calcium and phosphate, saliva carries these minerals to your teeth, where they get to work repairing the damage. Imagine tiny construction workers, calcium and phosphate, arriving at the site of a damaged enamel wall. They work together, filling in the microscopic holes and cracks, making the enamel stronger and more resistant to future acid attacks. This incredible synergy between your diet, saliva, and natural processes like remineralization is the key to reversing early tooth decay and maintaining a healthy smile. Let's make tooth-saving foods a regular part of your daily routine. Simple swaps and smart choices can make a big difference. Start with breakfast, the most important meal of the day. Opt for a calcium-packed cheese omelette with spinach and milk. Fuel your body and fortify your teeth. Snack attacks can be a disaster if you're not careful. Choose crunchy allies like almonds, walnuts, or raw carrots. They'll satisfy cravings and keep your mouth happy. Include leafy greens and fatty fish in your meals. Grilled salmon with broccoli and kale is a nutrient powerhouse. Don't forget about drinks. Swap sugary sodas with unsweetened tea, water, or milk. These simple swaps lead to a healthier, brighter smile. Let's address some common misconceptions about tooth decay that might be holding you back from achieving optimal oral health. One of the biggest myths is that once you have a cavity, the only solution is a filling. While it's true that fillings are necessary for more advanced decay, early-stage decay can often be reversed through remineralization, especially if you adopt a tooth-friendly diet and maintain good oral hygiene. Another myth is that brushing and flossing are enough to prevent cavities. While these habits are crucial for removing plaque and food particles, they can't completely counteract the effects of a diet high in sugar and processed foods. Some people believe that only children get cavities, but the truth is tooth decay can affect anyone at any age, especially if you're not taking care of your teeth and making healthy food choices. It's also a myth that dental checkups are only necessary when you have a problem. Regular dental visits are essential for catching problems early on when they're easier and less expensive to treat. Your smile is one of your most valuable assets, and taking care of it should be a top priority. The good news is that achieving and maintaining a healthy smile is entirely possible with the right knowledge and a little effort. Remember, it all starts with understanding how tooth decay happens. Those acid-producing bacteria are always lurking, just waiting for a chance to attack your enamel. But by limiting your sugar intake, practicing good oral hygiene, and incorporating those enamel-strengthening foods into your diet, you can keep those troublemakers in check. Think of your dental health as a lifelong journey, not just a destination. Every healthy choice you make, from brushing and flossing to choosing nutrient-rich foods, is a step in the right direction. By making smart choices and prioritizing your oral health, you're investing in a lifetime of confidence and joy. Now that you're armed with this valuable information about reversing tooth decay naturally, it's time to spread the word and help others achieve their healthiest smiles. Share this video with your friends, family, and everyone you know who wants to take control of their oral health. Let's start a movement for stronger, brighter smiles, one tooth-friendly meal at a time. And don't forget to subscribe to the Wisdom Health channel for more amazing tips and secrets on how to live a healthier, happier life. So there you have it, the secrets to naturally reversing early tooth decay. Remember, your diet plays a crucial role in your oral health. By incorporating those enamel-boosting foods and saying "see you later" to those sugary culprits, you're giving your teeth the fighting chance they need. Brushing, flossing, and regular dental checkups are still essential. Now go out there, put these tips into practice, and keep on smiling. And remember, a healthy smile is contagious, so spread the love.